Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. I just bought the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit to reteach myself the Arduino platform and relearn the basic fundamentals of programming and physical prototyping. Now, it doesn't matter if you're 6 years old or 76 years old, you can follow along with these examples. If you're an artist, a musician, a scientist, or engineer, and have always wanted to build a prototype for an idea that you have, then this is going to be a game changer for you. And maybe, just maybe, it will spark an idea that you've had that will lead to an invention that you make that has the potential to change the world. Now, let's start with the laserModule. I'll use the Fritzing software to show you how to get set up. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a breadboard, a USB cable, the laserModule from the 37-in-1 sensor kit, and 2 or 3 jumper wires. Place the laserModule on the breadboard somewhere around the middle for convenience, with each pin on a separate row. This means that all the pins should also be in the same column. Connect the S pin, your signal pin, to any digital pin. In this case, let's just pick digital pin 9. Now connect the minus pin to G and D, which means ground. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. Download the Arduino Software IDE, the Integrated Development Environment, from the Arduino website. In the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, and select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go down to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 10 lines of code using the Arduino IDE, and your prototype should now start blinking. Try modifying the code. Change the values for the delay function to see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.